Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Open the class and click Create Right Arrow Assignment. Add a clear title and concise instructions so students know expectations. Next, attach necessary resources, drive files, links, or uploads, and label them for quick access. Once added, set the topic to Organize Assignments and choose whether attachments are required or optional. Make sure to pick the right class if you teach multiple sections. This first step establishes scope and materials, so be deliberate about names and file types to now configure grading and timing. Assign a point value or select no grade, and attach a rubric for transparent evaluation. Once done, set the due date and time, or click Schedule to post later across multiple classes. If you need differentiation, change Assign to and pick specific students or sections. Make sure to toggle options for allowing late submissions or returning graded work with private comments. These choices affect workflow, so double-check grade category and visibility before proceeding to avoid rework. Finish by clicking Assign or Schedule. Verify it appears in both classwork and the stream. You should open Student View to confirm instructions and attachments display correctly. Once students submit, monitor progress via the grades page and individual submission details so you can provide timely feedback. If something breaks, students can't access a file or upload, refresh, clear your browser cache, reattach or share via Drive link, and consider making a copy of the assignment to reassign quickly. This keeps grading smooth and minimizes student confusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.